Hey guys, it's Josh and Jim Brown. We are here to do another beer chug. Not we, Josh came up with an idea of looking, we're outside and there is a worm that just came up on my flip-flop and it freaked me out a little bit.
Oh, it's in the door.
Oh, it fell off.
Nope.
Is this still on there?
Can't get the light on it. Flip-flop worm.
Oh,
There it is.
gross. Well, he freaked me out a little bit.
Flip-flop worm. Well, you wouldn't expect it.
No, I was not. That's what I get for wearing flip-flops after it's rained. Sorry. Josh thought of getting online and on YouTube and looking to see different beer chugging techniques. Some people have some serious mad skills when it comes to beer chugging, and others really shouldn't post videos. Pretty much the key is opening your throat, which I had mentioned in another video, but it's different.
It's like
when you have a liquid, because your tongue automatically wants to like close off your throat.
right, and the way that they're talking about it, the one guy basically did it in a gulp.
Yeah.
I think. But the way they're talking about it is, you tilt it back and you kind of swallow as it hits your throat, and then
just let it glide.
Then it just pours down.
And I
am
having trouble comprehending.
We've seen some spectacular ones.
We've seen, seriously, no joke, we've seen people do it in 2-3 seconds.
Yeah. And that one dude in that video, was it 6 beers out of that boot that he did in about 15 seconds?
6
And of course,
beers.
dude was a hoss anyway.
Yeah, it was in a boot, and I want a boot. It's, a glass boot. We're both German, so we're German, we're Irish. Would love to have one of the boots. Yeah. So, we see that a lot on the Oktoberfest stuff where they drink out of a boot. So that would be pretty cool to have one of those for us. But that boot held 6 beers, and he drank six beers in 15 seconds.
Yeah.
That's crazy. There are people who do good to drink one in 15 seconds.
Right. And we've seen other people do pretty well.
I mean, it's just great.
Single digits anyway.
Yeah. So that's quite impressive. I mean, when you can chug an entire 12-ounce beer in 2-3 seconds is just mind-boggling to me. We watched one girl chug a beer, aka Bud Light, from a bottle, and chugging isn't really what she did, because you could tell she spliced the video, so it was like over multiple segments that she drank this beer, and it was probably a good, oh my gosh, I couldn't tell you how long, 20, 30 seconds minimum.
At least 20, but I mean, it's hard to tell.
Yeah,
because
it was insane, and I don't even know, and she had like 50-something thousand reviews, and I was just blown away that people watch that. Of course, they could start it and they count it. I don't know. But anyway, basically the key to the technique is to hold your throat open and to take a deep breath, put the glass to your face. Don't get it too small or you'll spill it, which won't matter because I'll spill it anyway. And as soon as the beer hits the back of your throat, is what most of them seem to say, is as soon as it hits the back of your throat, you open it to take your gulp. And you just let it all slide down at once. And I don't know if I can do that. I'm not even going to lie.
So anyway, well, our thought was...
His thought.
I'll take the blame for this
But
one.
I did agree, so I guess I kind of have
to. That we will see how well we do given the technique that we watched. Because our previous chugs that we recorded for YouTube were about a little more than 11 seconds for both of us. So we want to see if we can do this one and actually get it down to if it improves our time.
At least less than 10 in the single digits. Would be good. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. This will be interesting on his part because he gags swallowing a pill. So this will be quite interesting, to say the least.
So there could be some spectacular spewage. The last chug we did was a Yingling, but we got a better deal going on for some PBR, which on the videos on YouTube, actually, PBR seem to be pretty popular for chugging.
They were. Some people mistake some other things for beer and chug those.
Just heard that. Just cracked open PBR.
Trying to find my timer.
And here's my glass.
My mother is calling me now. It's almost 10. Maybe I should check it real quick. I mean, seriously, at 10 o'clock at night, she never calls me at 10 o'clock at night.
What do you think?
I'll call her back in a minute when we're done. Okay. Give me just a second. I'm looking for the timer here. Okay.
Did you do a stopwatch or did you do a timer?
I thought I did a timer. That's the timer, right? Oh, okay.
Oops.
We'll learn how to work my phone here in a moment. Okay. Okay, so we're at 0. Don't know if you can see it. There we go. Oops. Sorry. We just got a camera from Cleveland Paranormal, so we're learning how to use it. Those guys are great. So if you ever want a camcorder with
It's an hour.
Yeah, an hour.
Infrared.
We want to do some ghost hunting with it, so we got this from Cleveland Paranormal, so I want to give them a shout out. They don't know we're doing this, so I want to give them a quick shout out. They were very helpful and very friendly.
Service.
Yes. We had an issue with the first one, and they were quick to send out a second one, so we want to give them some props. So we're learning how to use it, so everything is backwards to us. But here we are at 0, and going to start with Mr. Brown here.
And here it is. If it looks like we don't know how to operate our hands, it is because it's a mirror image of the phone.
Wally, hush.
Cram it, dude.
Our dog is being a jerk. What was that? Was that thunder?
That sounded like thunder.
Holy shit balls. That is thunder.
Well, if we make an escape. Ribbit. Okay, I was hoping to get that out before I tried this. Ribbit.
Good rumble.
It's a long one. Maybe it's a plane. Okay, anyway. So let's see how this works out.
When he puts it to his mouth, if y'all haven't watched our other videos, as soon as he puts it to his mouth is when I will start the timer. Okay. And vice versa. Got it started. It is a going. Okay. 10.70. That is, no, it's not in single digits, but it is.
But I didn't.
It's hard to, I can imagine how hard this is.
As soon as the beer hit, like right at my throat, it tingled.
I don't know if I can't remember if I showed you guys. 10.70. I hope you can see it, but I promise that's what it is.
So not, I mean, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't. It wasn't what we've seen.
No. And you got to keep in mind, so be nice. We are new to this, so we are learning how to do all this stuff, picking up techniques, and we have beat other people that we have seen doing this online, so I will not say that we are a total bust. I poured a beer like Josh just now, because I have foam head. So I have to wait a moment for it to go down.
Oh, one thing that we have seen multiple people do, which we won't be doing, but Jen especially won't be doing right now because she just had a shower, but people using the oil from their nose.
Not doing that. Or their forehead.
Yeah, and then putting their finger into the beer. Gross.
Yeah, don't do that. That's nasty. Yeah, they
take their finger and they rub on their nose.
Or their forehead.
Yeah, and then they dip it down into the foam.
Because apparently the oils from your face, your sweaty face, dissolve the foam quickly, and we're just not doing that.
Just wait.
Just wait.
Ribbit.
Because that is gross.
It tasted like hamburger.
Josh made delicious burgers on the grill for us for dinner.
Now, I will say this. Our chugs aren't as good as others.
No.
But our burps have been better.
Oh, our burps are way better. Some people shouldn't even.
Okay, so
I'm going to do my
zeros
best here. Because I will tell you I don't have faith in this whatsoever because I'm afraid I'm going to choke.
I might have had a quicker chug than what we did the last time we did it on video, but I didn't. I will say I did not do the technique.
I don't know that I can.
I had to do multiple swallows.
They do tell you, I will say this also, they do tell you to practice with water first, so to start with a smaller amount and increase your amount until you can do it all in one chug. So they do tell you to do it like that, not just to go start straight out with beers and try to do this. Just start with water and do what you can do in a gulp and then increase it until you can get more liquid in a gulp.
Yeah, but that ain't how we roll.
That isn't how we roll. Okay. I'm sitting up, so sorry if I get off the screen for a moment.
She's got to get herself fired up. But I'm ready to push the button. Ribbit.
10.7 is where I got to be. Or 11.14 is what I did the last time. That was my best time. Not my best time ever, but the best time from the last time.
Find this thing on camera. 9.84 and a demon burp.
Woo!
I don't know that you still had to swallow multiple times.
I did. I couldn't do it. Not yet. It's a work in progress.
But we haven't done a sub 10 chug in a while.
No.
So
it might be bad when you get excited that you have a sub 10 score on a beer chug.
That's good.
How many of these are we doing? Last time we did 2.
I guess we'll do 2 again and see. This video is getting a little long. 14 minutes.
We hope you guys enjoy this because we try to be fun in it, but this is how we are all the time. So, and I talk a lot. So,
I'm pouring another one as she's talking. By the way,
check us out on Facebook, Josh and Jennifer Brown. Check out our blog at joshnjenbrown.com. Follow us on Twitter at DABROWNSBLOGIT, the Browns Blog It. And subscribe to our YouTube channel as we will continue to add fun videos. And it's not going to all be beer, I promise. But right now, that's what we're just doing. So, subscribe today.
Mm-hmm. And if you can do this, if you're one of those people that can do these 5-second chugs or less,
please share them.
I Googled it. I saw an article on a dude that ran a mile and then chugged a beer while he was running, and one of them was like 5-point-something seconds. So, and everybody who chugs that fast says the same thing, you know, as far as the technique. So, if you can do this, then by all means, let us know.
Yeah, share your videos. Do a challenge with us. Challenge us on something. You know, we're here to have fun, and we're competitors, so, you know, let's have some fun with it.
Mm-hmm.
You ready? Okay, I'm at 0.
Let's do that. Okay.
Sorry, still learning this.
Let's see what we got here. Trying to stay in the screen.
You can do it.
Okay.
My nose is itching. Sorry, guys.
Right there.
9.08. Damn, dude.
A little bit of spillage.
That's a cardinal sin.
But
Sorry, our cat's working and it scared me. That would be Ian. He is, how old is he? 11? 12? He's 12, so, you know, in cat years, he's old, so he makes all those disgusting noises. That sounded demonic.
I've still got beer in my left.
There you go. 9.08. Sorry if it's a little fuzzy. There.
Okay. So
You should be able to see it. Whew. He keeps, like, busting my balls here.
So she's got a chug, and then we got an evaluation.
Huh?
We have to evaluate the technique.
I thought I was doing good at 9.84.
9.84 is good.
Not as good as 9.08.
No, I mean, that's true. Oh, there's so much beer on my stomach, though, like, so fast.
Seriously, we just ate. Like, we ate before we did the video. So I have to wait for the head to go down again.
Did we switch places?
What?
Maybe it's because the camera's backwards.
It's the camera.
But you keep pouring.
Oh, I guess it is. It's like messing with us. Because normally, I can pour the beer without the foamy head on it, and he's the one who does. But today, he's not, and I am. So go figure.
Boy.
And again, we don't apologize for burps, so don't expect that.
We take pride in it.
Yeah, we do. We're the very few people, apparently, that take pride in their belches. I think one of our cats is using the fire pit splitter box. Okay.
We are at 0. So
I have to, like, motivate myself. I have to give myself a little pep talk.
You broke it open last time with the 9.84. So.
I know, but the last time I won first and you won second.
We were close, though.
Yeah, but you still won.
We were right around 11 seconds.
Okay.
9.73. So.
I spilled some too.
Yeah. Oh, I might have had the single fastest, but both of yours were less than 10. So here's what I think.
Okay.
I think there's something to the technique that we heard.
I did try.
I did try too, and I think it made a difference.
I think for me, towards the end on the second one, I felt like I could open my throat a little bit more. Like,
you know
that's
what I think
when
helped
I could.
me? I think when they talked about getting a deep breath so you don't breathe while you're chugging. So get a breath before you start.
Doing it during because I feel like I'm going to choke to death.
Well, you still got that much.
Yeah.
I mean, you should be able. You can hold your breath for 10 seconds. person can do that.
I can do that.
Right. That's what I'm saying. So if you get a breath...
But I think swallowing when trying to hold your breath is messing with my mind. A little bit.
But I think it's something you can learn.
Ribbit.
I think I think that my chugs were faster because I watched those videos. And I learned something.
I agree. I can agree with that.
Now, it's not less than 5 seconds.
No, but seriously, people look and watch this and be like, 2 seconds, that's nothing. Well, you chug a beer. And if you can't chug a beer in 9.08 or less, then you have no right to say anything. 2 seconds makes a huge difference. You think 2 seconds makes all the difference in the world for so many things. Beer chugging is one of them.
And what's more important than beer?
Right. Y'all have a good night. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on everything. We've already given you that information. And we will see you next time.
Bye, y'all.
Peace out.